Hello students, welcome to Academic Aura. Today we will begin with chapter 1 for standard 6, three-dimensional shapes. Okay, now see the first on the first page you have a revision. Identify the shapes of the following objects and classify them as two-dimensional and three-dimensional. Now before we classify these figures, we will first understand what is two-dimensional and three-dimensional. Now see on the same page of your textbook below you have the dimensions given here. See here, one dimensional shape 1D, that is only the length is given. Okay, only the length is given, nothing is there, only the length is given. Okay, so if I draw a straight line like that, so you can see only the length is given, that is only 1D, that is one dimensional. See 2D, length is given and the width is given. Okay, length and width is given of the figure. Like suppose even if I draw a square, so see here, only the length and the width. Okay, all the sides are equal, but still I have not done anything. Length and width is given, that means it is a two-dimensional shape. Okay, two-dimensional shapes occupy space at a flat surface. You can see this figure, these two figures are flat, the square and the rectangle are flat, that means they are two-dimensional. 2D, understood what is 2D? 3D. Now on the next page we have what is 3D. See here, three-dimensional shapes occupy the place in space. Okay, now suppose if you see this box, okay, this is occupying the space, it is occupying space. Okay, so that means this box is 3D, three-dimensional. Okay, now see, three-dimensional shape, it has length, width and height. It occupies space, that is the most important thing, it occupies space. Then it has length, breadth and height. Understood? Like suppose see here, this is the length, this is the breadth and this is the height. Understood? So length, breadth and height is there. Whenever length, breadth and height is given, that means it is three-dimensional. Understood what is 1D, 2D and 3D? So we will do the revision first and understand. That is also an important question. Sometimes it is asked as an activity based question. Okay, so just go through it. Now see the first one, we have a drum. Here first you have to identify whether it is two-dimensional or a three-dimensional shape. Now first one is already given, surface of a table. Surface of the table, they have not told you the entire table. If they tell you entire table, means it is a 3D. Only this surface, you can see the flat surface. Flat surface is what? Flat surface has only length and breadth. Length and width is there, that means it is two-dimensional. That's the reason surface of the table is written as two-dimensional. See the drum. Drum has length, breadth and width. It has space also within. Understood? So that means it is a 3D object. Okay, 3D shape. That means drum, we will write it over here. See the next one, reed pipe. That is the mouthpiece. Mouthpiece also you can see it has length. It is not flat. First thing, it is not flat. It has length, breadth and width. That means again it is length, breadth and width is there, means it is a three-dimensional shape. Reed pipe, mouthpiece. Okay, see the next one is carom board. Surface, only the surface. Okay, only the surface of the carom board, just as we did surface of the table. So only the surface, length and breadth is there, length and width is there, that means it is a 2D object. That means carom board we will write under two-dimensional shape. Okay, see the next one, harmonium. Harmonium also has length, it has breadth and it has height. So length, breadth and height is there. Okay, length, breadth and height is there. It occupies space within, so that means it is a three-dimensional shape. So harmonium we will write here. Understood this harmonium? Now see the road. Road, only the length is given and the width, how broad it is. Okay, length and the width of the road. That means it is a two-dimensional shape. Road you will write under two-dimensional. Next again the playground. See playground, the length is given and the width is given. Length and width, that means two-dimensional shape. Now see the spinning top. Okay, spinning top is a three-dimensional object. You look at it only and you understand that it is a three-dimensional object. It has length, it has breadth, and it has width. That means it is a three-dimensional object, spinning top. Okay, understood the first page? This is also important. They might give you other objects in the exam other than this, and they might ask you to do the activity. Can come as an activity based question. A closed figure with three or more sides is a polygon. This can come as an important fill in the blank. A closed figure with three or more sides is a polygon. Okay, it can come as a fill in the blank. Now see the first one, the first figure. What is the first figure given? It is a triangle. Okay, number of vertices and number of sides. Vertices are the corners. In other words, vertices are the corners. So how many vertices it has? Now suppose if you take two sides you join it like that. So this part, this is called the vertex. That is the corner. Okay, where two sides meet, that is called the vertex. So same way here, this is the vertex. 1, 2, 3. So 3 vertices we have, and number of sides. This is the side. 1, 2 and 3. 3 sides. So 3 vertices and 3 sides. Okay. Next is the quadrilateral. Quadrilateral has how many? 1, 2. See the number of vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices and 4 sides. Okay. Next is a pentagon. Pentagon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides and same way 5 corners. Corners only is the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 corners, that means 5 vertices. Next is an hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. And same way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 corners. Okay. Heptagon. Heptagon 7. 1, 2, see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sides, same way 7 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sides and 7 corners. Understood till there? Now the last one. See the last one, how many corners and how many sides it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices it has. And same way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides. 8 sides. Okay. Polygon with 8 sides is called a octagon. Octagon. Now if you cut a circle from a cardboard 10 to 15 pieces and you keep it one on top of the other, then it forms a cylinder. Okay, it forms a cylinder. Now see this is in the form of a cylinder. You can see here, see the shape here. It is cylindrical in shape. Write the elements of the three-dimensional shape. Now okay, now this is the circular face. This is the circular face. See here, this face on top is called the circular face. Okay, then this is called the curved face. This is called the curved face. And edge, circular edge. You can see this edge. Okay, this is the edge. This is the edge. Okay, this tip, this is the edge. On both the sides it has circular edge. Okay, on this side as well as on this side. So this is the edge. Okay, this is called the face. Okay, two sides, two faces it has, top and bottom. This is the face. This is the edge, circular edge on two sides. And this is the circular curved face. This is the curved face. Understood? This is curved. This is curved, this part. So curved face. Okay. Now the three-dimensional figure formed is a cylinder. So this figure formed is a cylinder. A cylinder has dash circular faces. Faces, I told you, see here on top there is one face, and here at the bottom. So it has how many? A cylinder has two circular faces, one curved face. Okay, this curved part is called, okay, curved face. So one curved face and circular edges. This is the edge, this corner part. Okay, this is the edge, this one, and on the other side 2. So how many circular edges? 2 circular edges. Understood here till here? Now see, next is the triangular pyramid. Let's see the triangular pyramid. We have two here. One is the triangular pyramid and the other one is a square pyramid. Triangular pyramid, bottom will be triangular in shape. See, understand the difference. For the triangular pyramid, bottom will be triangular in shape, and for the square pyramid, bottom is in square shape. Okay, triangular pyramid, the bottom is triangular in shape, and here for the square pyramid, the bottom is square in shape. Now see the triangular pyramid. See, in this way they have done this figure. Okay, then they have folded these three parts, they have folded and they have formed a triangular pyramid. Now triangular pyramid has 4 vertices. Okay, count the number of vertices over here. Corners, vertices means the corners. 3 at the bottom. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 1 corner is there on top. Okay, see this, the point, the apex. Okay, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices you got. Triangular faces. How many triangular faces? See this, 1, 2, 3, and the bottom is also triangular in shape. Since it is a triangular pyramid, the bottom is triangular in shape, 1, and the sides 2, 3, 4. So total how many triangular faces it has? 4 triangular faces. Now see, count the number of edges. Edges I told you are the sides. Okay, see the bottom, this is the bottom part. Bottom 1, 2, 3, 3 at the bottom, and see this 4, 5, 6. Okay, to join the midpoint, 4, 5, 6. So that means it has 6 edges. Now same way I told you, triangular pyramid is triangular in shape at the base. Same way square pyramid is square in shape at the base. The adjacent 3-dimensional shape is a square pyramid. See here, now this is a square at the base. Okay, so, and when you join these, okay, when you join these 4 parts over here, you will get a square pyramid. Now see, it has dash vertices. Count how many vertices it has. Okay, in this, see at the bottom we have 4. In the triangular, what we had? Bottom we had 3 because it was a triangle. Here it is a square, so at the bottom we have 4. Okay, at the bottom you have 4. Okay, the corners, the vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the top one. This is the 5th. So how many vertices we have? 5 vertices. Triangular faces. Now the bottom one we cannot count because it is square. Understood? The bottom one you cannot count. So how many you have? Triangular faces? 1, 2, 3, 4. Those only if you join that. Okay, if you join that, you are getting this figure, these 4. So triangular faces are how many? 1, 2, 3, and the one which is from behind over here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So triangular faces we have 4. Now let's count the edges. Now see here, the edges, bottom we have 4. Okay, at the bottom we have 4 sides. So 4, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 edges. Next, square face. Square is only at the bottom. That means only one square face. Understood till here? Now the next figure is the cone. Now see the cone. Again the activity is given. You have to draw a circle with a radius 6 centimeters on a piece, and then you have to cut the circle with scissors, cut into semicircles, and then you have to form a cone. Okay, now see the cone, this vertex, this is called the vertex. That means the corner, the apex. Okay, that is called the vertex. Only one vertex. You can see there is only one vertex, only one corner a cone has. So vertex is only one. So over here, see here, vertex we will write 1. Circular edge. Okay, now circular edge. Edge, I told you what is a edge. See here, this part is called the edge. Okay, so now if you think about a cone, this is the cone. So this is the circular edge. This bottom is the circular edge. This outer part. Okay, this outer part is the edge. So this is a circular edge. So how many circular edge it has? It has only one circular edge. Then see the circular face, the bottom part. Okay, suppose if this would be a cone, then this bottom part, this has only one face because here it has an apex. Okay, apex, that is the vertex it has. So circular face is also 1. This part what I'm shading, this is the circular face. Circular face is also 1. Curved face, you can see this part is curved. This part is curved. If you watch if you have seen a cone, it is curved. So that means that is also 1. Understood here? Now we will do the practice set 1.1. Now see practice set 1.1. We have triangular prism, pyramid, and square prism, pyramid, pentagonal prism, and a pyramid. Understood? Now see about the triangular prism we have already learnt. Okay, triangular pyramid also we learnt in the we just did it in the previous what I explained over here. See a triangular. See, this is the triangular pyramid we did, and the triangular prism also we learned while explaining the chapter. Now what we are going to do is the prism. Okay, now see this prism, square prism. Okay, a square prism. So here square, a square is which is a square. First of all, this is triangular in shape. Square is what? Square is a quadrilateral. So right here quadrilateral. Again square pyramid, square prism, square pyramid. Bottom is square in shape. That means even this is a quadrilateral. Okay, quadrilateral. Why quadrilaterals? Here if you have learned this 4 sides, with 4 sides it is called a, with 4 sides, a figure with 4 sides is called a quadrilateral. See here, 4 sides is called a quadrilateral. That's the reason, write quadrilateral over there. Then now see the number of now we will see the number of vertices in this. Vertices means what I told you. Vertices are the corners. See at the bottom 1, 2, 3, 4. On top we have 5, 6, 7, 8. Understood? So how many are there? Bottom 4 and top 4. That means we have 8 vertices for the prism. Square prism we have 8. Now next is number of edges. Number of edges. Edges means the sides. Bottom you have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. On top you have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then at the side 9, 10, 11 and 12. So how many edges we have? 12 edges. Number of vertical faces. Okay, number of vertical faces. Vertical faces is, see this is the top face. You see this box? This is the top face. This is the bottom face. Vertical means at the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so how many? 4 we have. You see here, this is the top face. This is the bottom face, which we don't want. We want number of verticals. So at the sides we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then number of top and bottom faces. Now on top you have one face and at the bottom you have one face. That means 2 faces. Then see the next one, pyramid. Now pyramid, square pyramid. That means the base is square in shape. Base is square in shape, right? Again this is a quadrilateral, 4 sides. Number of vertices. What are the vertices? Now see your vertices, number of vertices, the corners 1, 2, 3, 4 and on top you have 1. So that means 5. After that number of edges. Edges 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. That means you have 8. Okay. In the square pyramid I had explained that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next is number of vertical faces. Vertical faces 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and the behind side one is there. So that is 4. Next, number of bottom or top face. Now top face is not there for the pyramid. Only bottom face is there and that too it is only 1. Now see the prism. Pentagonal prism. The next one we have pentagonal prism. Why pentagonal prism? See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides means it is a pentagon. Okay, again this prism also has this pyramid. Okay, this pyramid also has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is made from 5 sides. That is also a pentagon. Okay, number of vertices. Now let's count the number of vertices in it. Vertices means the corners. Now see, on top you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same way down also we will have 5 only. Okay, 5 on top, 5 corners, 5 vertices on top. So down also we have 5 only. So 5 plus 5 we have 10 over here. Then number of edges. Edges means the sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 on top, 5 at the bottom. Okay, 5 on top, 5 at the bottom. And these which are used here, the vertical edges. 5 plus 5, 10. 5 on top, 5 at the bottom. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 1 behind over here. So 15. Next is number of vertical faces. Number of vertical faces. Now vertical faces, we are not seeing the top and the bottom face. At the sides, 1, 2, 3. This side there is 1, 4 and this side there is 1, 5. So we have 5. Number of bottom and top face. Bottom the same way there is one face and on top there is one face. Top and bottom, that means 2 faces. Next see this, the pyramid, pentagonal pyramid. Okay, it is made from 5 sides. That means this vertical faces will also be 5 only. Understood? So number of vertices. First let's count the vertices. That means the corners. So, bottom is made from 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 vertices plus 1 vertex and vertex at the corner on top. So 5 plus 1, 6. Next is number of edges. Now look at the edges. Edges means the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 we have over here at the bottom. Same way like that, vertical edges. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means this I told you, whenever 5 sides are at the bottom, same way on top also we have 5 sides. That is the vertical edges. So 5 at the bottom. Understood? 5 at the bottom and 5. These are also 5. So 5 plus 5 you get 10. Number of vertical faces. Vertical means the standing over here. How many are there? I told you bottom there are 5. That means the standing. Vertical faces will also be 5. Now in the figure it is not to be seen. But if you make a pyramid, if you draw a pyramid, bottom you have 5. That means here also you will have 5 only. Number of bottom face. Top we don't have any face, but bottom there is one face made of 5 sides. So that is only one face is there. Understood? So understood practice set 1.1. There is one more table over here. See this, complete the table by writing the names of the shapes that appear in the surrounding area. Okay, now this is the shape is forming a cone. Now this shape is forming a cylinder. Okay, this bottle what I showed you, cylindrical bottle, like a cylinder it is. So this bottle is forming a cylinder. This ball, football. Okay, football, that means it is in the shape of a spear. You have seen a marble. Marble is also in the shape of a spear. This, okay, this tree is in the shape of a cone. You can see it is cone shaped. Book is in the shape of a cuboid. So here we have finished practice set 1.1. Now see the next one. 1.2, not 1.2, exercise 1. Select the correct option. What shape will be formed if carom pieces are placed on one on top of the other? Okay, now in the example sum in the circle one I had showed you. See this. Just imagine that these are carom pieces, and if they are kept one on top of the other, what do they form? They form a cylinder. Understood? They form a cylinder. So that means what shape will be formed if you keep the will be formed if carom pieces are placed one on top of the other? It forms a cylinder. See the next one. By which two similar shapes is hourglass formed? You can see this hourglass. Here there is one cone and here there is one cone. So there are 2 cones. Understood? So by using which 2 shapes? By using a cone. So the hourglass is formed using a cone. Which of the following shapes is not 3-dimensional? Now see, cone is 3-dimensional, cylinder is 3-dimensional, sphere, a ball is also 3-dimensional, square is not 3-dimensional. So this option A is the answer. Square is not 3-dimensional. Now see the next one. There are 5 faces, 5 vertices. There are 5 faces, 5 vertices and 8 edges. One face is square and the remaining faces are triangular. So you just say the base. See here, the base. One face is square. That means you can see here the base is square over here. base is square, and there are 5 faces, 5 vertices. 5 vertices means one will be on top and then it is joined here like that. So that means it becomes a pyramid. Understood what it becomes? A pyramid. That means 1 2 3 4. Okay, so that means there are 5 faces, 1 at the bottom and 4 at the sides. So this becomes a square pyramid. Square pyramid. Understood? Base at the bottom you have face is square and remaining faces are triangular. 1 here, 1 here, 1 here and 1 behind. So 4 you have faces are triangular. Okay, so one edge is there. Vertex 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 vertices and 5 faces. Now see, one face is curved. It has no vertices and no edges. Understood? See the second one. One face is curved. One face is curved, no edges, no vertices. That means it is a, you can imagine a football or a marble. That is a sphere. So that means sphere. A sphere, a football, it is curved, okay, and it has no vertices, it has no edges. The third one, there are 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. There are 6 faces. Now see this again, faces 1 at the bottom, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 faces, there are 6 faces, 12 edges. Edges means what? See here the sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. At the bottom also 5, 6, 7, 8 and at 9 at the side, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So how many? 12 edges and 8 vertices. That is the corners. See the corners, 1, 2, 3, 4 and bottom also there are 4. That means it will be a rectangular prism. It is a rectangular prism. There is one curved face, 2 circular edges and 2 flat surfaces. Understood? So that means see this, one curved face, this is the curved face, this is the curved, it is curved, then 2 circular edges, this is the edge, another one is there over here, 2 circular edges and 2 flat surface, this is the flat surface, this is the flat surface. So what is the shape? Cylinder. Okay, so here we have finished this practice set. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.